Welcome to Farmer Hub, our new module under EcoDesign. Quickly create your farm by selecting what you grow, how you farm, and you enter your Farmer Hub. What are your soil concerns? Once you define, you will receive a comprehensive report with insights, quick wins, what to do in long term, recommendations. You have pest or disease problems? Upload photos of plant with problems. Answer some questions and have it analyzed. If a diagnosis can be made, its report is created. And remedies, recommendations made. What do you want to grow next season? Select a category. Suitable crops are displayed with suitability metrics, reasons. Then you choose the ones you want, and your crop planting plan with recommendations are provided. You want to transition to sustainable farming and need guidance? Select your goals, transition timeline, and you have your transition plan prepared for you with recommendations and monthly check-ins. Under Practice Library, you view your selections you have made at different stages, displayed here neatly. Filter via categories, choose the ones you are considering, trying or have adopted.